Hey you, today I'm going to be unboxing my 1000 subscriber award from YouTube. As a creator on YouTube, there are different levels to your subscriber count. For instance, 1 subscriber to 999 subscribers is the graphite level, which is the lowest level you can be besides, 0 subscribers. And the next level is opal, from 1000 subscribers to 9999. And each level unlocks its own little thing according to this, its own benefits and perks and whatnot. The bronze level is 10,000 subscribers to 99,999 subscribers, which can get you access to Spreadshop or the Teespring merchandise shelf, or Spring as I believe it is called now. Beyond that, 100,000 subscribers to 99,999 subscribers is the silver level, and after passing the 100,000 subscriber threshold, YouTube will send you a Silver Creator Award if you qualify. Past 1 million subscribers to 9,999,999 subscribers is the Gold level, in which after passing 1 million subscribers, and if you qualify, YouTube will send you a Gold Creator Award as shown here. And beyond 10 million subscribers, if you qualify, YouTube will send you a Diamond Creator Award. So just something to keep in mind. There's even more levels beyond that for PewDiePie, T-Series, Mr. Beast, and whatnot. Lastly, one of the biggest YouTubers that I watch, who is largely into the YouTube Creator Awards and whatnot, is Jack Sucks at Life. So Jack Sucks at Life has a whole bunch of videos on the Creator Awards, taking them from KSI, whatnot, buying his own custom creator award. So shout out to Jack Sucks at Life, big inspiration for me getting this creator award in the first place. And hopefully I can get to the silver and then gold levels just like you, and hopefully eventually the diamond level. This custom 1000 subscriber award, I got it on eBay. Like I said, it is unofficial, but the seller did a marvelous job. I was very happy with it. If you search YouTube Creator Award, you can find a couple of options. I believe this is the option that I went with. It is by a seller named STUDITSH0, Student Show. These are the options that they provide. You can get it with a gold background, a red background, which is what I got, or a silver background. I went with red because the silver to me will hopefully be attained in the future as the 1000 subscriber creator award, and the gold is the 1 million. So I thought the red would be a nice touch just for 1000 subscribers. Like I said, unofficial. I will leave the link to the seller's products in the description, so definitely check it out if you're interested in trying to build and grow your own YouTube channel. The purpose of me getting this award was to motivate me to continue to pursue my goal of growing this channel, Testament to Excellence, into a goal setting and achievement channel to help others achieve what they want to. With that, let's get started. The time is now.